To harvest your oregano, get some garden shears, cut it just above a set of leaves, leaving about 1 inch of the plant remaining. I like to wash mine with a nice water and vinegar wash. This way you make sure you get everything off that was on there. Then I take it and I dry it in between some paper towels just to get that excess moisture off of it. Give it a nice little pat. Then you want to take a piece of parchment paper, put it over the top of a baking pan, take your leaves and just kind of spread them out on your pan. Then you're going to take your oven, preheat it to 180 degrees. Once that's warmed up, you're going to take your baking pan and place it in the oven. Then we're just going to cook it for 2 to 4 hours. You just want to keep it in there long enough until your leaves are completely dried. And there we go. That looks perfect. And that's as easy as it is. Dried oregano. And watch until you see how easy it is to get it off the stem. You just grab the bottom of the stem and push your fingers together forward and your leaves just come right off. It is as easy as can be. Then I like to just take my parchment paper and I just use that to crush up my oregano. It's super dry, it just falls apart, so it's real easy. And then you're just going to take it and put it into a nice jar, seal it tight, and you will have fresh dried oregano that's going to be at its best for the first 6 months. Enjoy. Happy gardening.